Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by the gentle sound of trickling water, the air alive with the buzzing of dragonflies and the soft croaking of frogs. A garden pond can transform your outdoor space into a haven for wildlife and a source of tranquility for yourself. Not only does a pond enhance the aesthetic appeal of your garden, but it also introduces a whole new ecosystem, attracting beneficial insects, birds, and other fascinating creatures. Whether you envision a small bubbling fountain or a larger pond with lilies and fish, creating a water feature is a rewarding endeavor that can be achieved with careful planning and a bit of elbow grease. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step approach to designing, building, and maintaining your own stunning garden pond. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. With your location and design finalized, it's time to gather the necessary materials. You'll need a pond liner, underlay to protect the liner from punctures, a shovel, a level, and some string and stakes for marking the outline. Depending on the size of your pond, you may also need a wheelbarrow and some assistance from a strong friend or family member. Begin by marking out the shape of your pond using string and stakes. Ensure the edges are level to prevent uneven water depth. Once you're happy with the outline, it's time to start digging. Excavate the pond in stages, starting with a shallow shelf around the perimeter for marginal plants. The depth of the main pond area will depend on whether you plan to keep fish. If so, aim for a depth of at least 2 feet to provide them with a comfortable environment. As you dig, remove any sharp stones or roots that could damage the pond liner. Once the excavation is complete, line the entire pond with the underlay, ensuring it overlaps at the edges. Then, carefully lay the pond liner over the underlay, smoothing out any wrinkles as you go. Leave a generous overhang of liner around the edges, which will be trimmed later. No pond is complete without a vibrant array of aquatic plants. Not only do they enhance the visual appeal of your water feature, but they also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy pond ecosystem. Different types of aquatic plants thrive at various depths, so it's essential to choose a variety that will flourish in your pond's specific conditions. Marginal plants, as the name suggests, prefer to grow in the shallow water around the pond's edge. These plants help to soften the edges of the liner and provide a natural transition between the pond and the surrounding garden. Popular choices include water irises, marsh marigolds, and pickerel weed. For the deeper areas of your pond, consider floating plants such as water lilies and water hyacinths. These plants not only add beauty but also help to shade the water, reducing algae growth. Submerged plants like oxygenating grass and water milfoil are essential for maintaining water clarity and providing oxygen for fish and other aquatic life. When selecting plants, opt for varieties that are native to your region or known for their ease of care. Research the specific requirements of each plant, including sunlight exposure, water depth, and potential invasiveness. Section 4. Maintaining a healthy pond, keeping it crystal clear. Implement a regular maintenance routine to keep your pond looking its best. Maintain a balance within the ecosystem. Monitor water quality and control algae growth. Regular water changes are crucial. Remove 20% of the water and replace it with treated tap water. This prevents algae blooms and maintains water clarity. Remove fallen leaves and debris regularly. Decomposed matter fuels algae growth. Use natural algae control methods if needed. Remove dead or decaying foliage promptly. Fertilize plants sparingly. Avoid overfeeding fish to prevent water pollution. Section 5. Enjoy the tranquility, your personal garden sanctuary. Congratulations on creating your very own slice of aquatic paradise. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Find a comfortable spot on your patio or garden bench and immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of your newly established pond. Watch as dragonflies zip across the water's surface, their iridescent wings shimmering in the sunlight. Observe the playful antics of fish, darting amongst the lily pads. Listen to the gentle splashing of the fountain or the soft croaking of frogs as they serenade you from their lily pad perches. Your garden pond is more than just a water feature. It's a thriving ecosystem, a source of endless fascination and a testament to your gardening prowess. With proper care and attention, your pond will continue to bring you joy and a sense of tranquility for years to come. So, go ahead, pour yourself a refreshing drink, put your feet up and bask in the beauty of your very own garden sanctuary.